Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I would like to address simple questions which can come in exam. So let's start. Find A and B such that matrix A is A 4 1 B has 3 and minus 2 as eigenvalue. So let's go through solution. Let lambda 1 and lambda 2 are two eigenvalues of A. Why I have taken two eigenvalues? Because it's 2 cross 2 matrix, and you know if there is 2 cross 2 matrix, then the eigenvalue will also be 2. Lambda 1 is 3 and lambda 2 is minus 2. Okay, it's given in the question. And note down this formula. Sum of eigenvalue equals to trace of A. Sum of eigenvalue, that is 3 plus minus of 2 equals to trace of A. I have earlier told you what the trace meaning is. Trace is the sum of diagonal element, that is A plus B. So we get A plus B equals to 1, equation 1. And note down this formula. Product of eigenvalues equals to determinant of A. Product, that is 3 into minus 2 minus 6 equals to determinant of A is what? AB minus 4 ones are 4. AB equals to minus 2. And now A minus B whole square equals to A square plus B square minus 2AB. Just write this as A plus B to the whole square. What extra left is minus 4AB. Now all the rest is substitution only. A plus B is this, minus A into B is this. Substituting all this, we get A minus B as plus or minus 3, and we have A plus B. So from these two equations we get A as minus 1 and B is minus 2. Okay, I hope you understood. Just keep these two formulas in mind. Now our next question is, if 2 and 3 are eigenvalues of this matrix 3 cross 3, find A. Okay. So as we know that we first find the determinant of A, we'll use that two formula only. We first find the determinant of the given matrix. We'll get A minus 8 minus 2A equals to determinant of A. Again, trace of A equals to sum of eigenvalue, that is trace was you can see it was 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals to sum of eigenvalue, which is eigenvalue 2 and 3 is given, and let us assume third eigenvalue be lambda 3. So I get third eigenvalue as 1. Now apply this formula. Determinant of A equals to product of eigenvalues. So determinant is 8 minus 2A and product of eigenvalue is 2. From here you can get A value, which is 1. So let's move into next question. 2 eigenvalue A matrix is this, are 1 and 1. Okay, find eigenvalue for A inverse. So for this matrix we are given two eigenvalues and the value are A 1 and 1. Okay, now we need to find the eigenvalue for A inverse. So how to do this? Note down this point. If lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are eigenvalue of A, then 1 by lambda 1 plus 1 by 1 by lambda 2 1 by lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of A inverse. It means that whatever we get lambda for A, the reciprocal of that is the eigenvalue for A inverse. So eigenvalue of A inverse is 1 by 1, 1 by 1. I have taken given 1 and 1. So 1 by 1, 1 by n, 1 and 1 by lambda 3. We need to find this lambda 3. So again apply that formula. Sum of eigenvalue equals to trace of A, which is 1 plus 1 plus lambda 3 equals to 2 plus 3 plus 2. So you can get lambda 3 as 5. Now A inverse eigenvalue is 1, 1 and 1 by 5. Now next question is that two eigenvalue of this matrix are 3 and 6. Find the eigenvalue of A cube. So first you find the third eigenvalue, because as it is 3 cross 3 matrix. So find third eigenvalue using same formula. Sum of eigenvalue equals to trace of matrix. So 3 plus 6 plus lambda 3 equals to 3 plus 5 plus 3. You get lambda equals to 2. Now A's eigenvalue are 3, 6 and 2. Okay, so if lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3 are eigenvalue of A, then lambda to the power n, lambda 2 to the power n, lambda 3 to the power n, dot dot dot, A to the power n is eigenvalue of A to the power n. It means that if we find the eigenvalue for matrix A, and if we are told to find eigenvalue for any matrix which has let's say suppose power n, so just multiply that power into the eigenvalue for matrix A. Like this, we need to find A cube, so the n is 3, so we will multiply, we will take to the power 3 of the eigenvalues of matrix A, that is 3 to the power 3, 6 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. 27, 216 and 8 are your eigenvalues for A cube. If it would have been A to the power 4, you would have done power 4, power 6, then power 6. So it goes like that. Okay. So one last question I would like to address. If A matrix is this, then find the eigenvalue of A square minus 2A plus I equals to 0. So for this question, I'll tell you how to do. First, find the characteristic equation A minus lambda equals to 0, like that. You will get this characteristic equation. Find lambda value 2, 3 and 6. Now do just one thing. One by one put, as you know by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So one by one put lambda value in this equation. We first will put 2. So 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus I, you will take 1 in place of I because determinant of I is 1. You get the value 1. Now put 3 in place of A, you get value 4. Now put 6 in place of A, you get value 25. In this way you solve this type of question. I hope you got it. Now we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.